What's up, everybody? This is our third break of the day. This is our 2020 Donruss Optic Football Fat Packs one box break number 16. This is our one box break number 16. Everything is, well, we do have 3 teams. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams available. As you can see from the owner's list here, we have the Atlanta Falcons for $8, Carolina Panthers for $8. We have the New England Patriots for $8, Giants for $8, and the Tennessee Titans for $8. Or if anybody wants to buy all 5, I'll take $10 off. I'll do all 5 for $30. So $8 per team for those 5. Or if anybody wants to take all 5, I'll take $10 off, and I'll do all 5 for $30. If anybody wants to grab those. Here's our sealed box of Optic football. Those teams will be for sale until I show the first card of the break. So we're going to get all the packs out, all the cards out of the packs set up, and then we'll start our break. So we have the Falcons for 8, Panthers for $8, Patriots for 8, Giants for 8, Tennessee Titans for 8, or all 5 for $30. What's up, Josh? Ryan T wants to take all 5 for $30. All right, Ryan, I see you're in the break already. I see you have the Lions and the Eagles and the Colts. I'm assuming that's you. All right, Ryan, I'm putting the PayPal address in the chat here for you. That's our PayPal. Ryan, since you're already in the break, if you could send friends and family, since I don't need to print out a label for you, I can print out your label from eBay and I'll just send your extra cards with your eBay stuff. I'm going to write you down for those 5 teams. So if you don't mind sending friends and family, I'm assuming you're Ryan T that's in here for the Lions, as I said. Just verify that for me if you can, if this is the same Ryan T I'm seeing. Okay. So yeah, if you don't mind sending that over now while I get the rest of the packs opened up. I got your name down for those 5 teams, Ryan. You're going to have the Falcons, the Panthers, the Patriots, the Giants, and the Titans now as well as your other teams. Alright guys, here we go. That's our break. We are ready to go. Good luck. Ryan, just give me a heads up after you send that. Appreciate that. Good luck to everybody. First, green velocity of the break is going to the Seattle Seahawks. Green velocity rookie for the Seahawks, that's Darrell Taylor. Thank you, Ryan. Good luck to you. Darrell Taylor, green velocity. Then for the 49ers, we have a Javon Kinlaw rookie. Kerryon Johnson. Silver Hollow. There you go, Ryan. See? Pays off. First Silver Hollow of the break is a Ryan Tannehill for the Titans. Ryan just got a Ryan. Silver Hollow Tannehill. For the Chiefs, we have a Clyde Edwards-Helaire rated rookie. Green velocity coming up here. Nice one for the Raiders. Henry Ruggs. Green velocity rated rookie. Henry Ruggs III for the Raiders. Kevin M. Green velocity, Henry Ruggs. Antoine Winfield Jr. rookie for the Bucks. Odell Beckham. TJ Watt, JJ Watt. Aaron Rodgers. Dominators insert for the Chiefs, Tyreek Hill. Inserts are usually one per box. Tyreek Hill, Dominators insert. Chiefs are going to Eric B. Eno Benjamin rookie for the Cardinals. Zadarius Smith. Josh Allen. Michael Thomas. Green velocity, Patrick Queen rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. Baltimore's going out to Sean R. Patrick Queen. There's a nice CD Lamb rated rookie for the Cowboys. Jonathan L. Tyreek Hill. Drew Brees. Tom Brady. A couple of nice Hall of Fame quarterbacks there. I wonder how New Orleans is going to be this year without Brees. That's going to be weird. See New Orleans play without Brees. Derek Carr. Be weird to see Green Bay play without Aaron Rodgers, too. Ben Roethlisberger. Here's a green rated rookie for the Detroit Lions, Jeff Okudah. Jeff Okudah rated rookie for the Lions. Green velocity. Damon Arnett rookie, Raiders. Travis Kelce. Alvin Kamara. Here's our second hollow, silver hollow rookie, Derek Brown. This is for the Carolina Panthers, silver hollow Derek Brown rookie. This is going out to Ryan T. That's one of the teams he picked up. So Ryan, you got both silver hollows out of the break. Picking up those teams before the break. Yeah, yeah. Optic does have more base than Select. Select has more prisms and color, for sure. That's why Select has so much more, because they have the parallels. Anthony McFarland Jr. rated rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers. We have a green velocity rookie for the Rams, Terrell Lewis. Los Angeles Rams, Terrell Lewis. That's going out to Sierra H. Terrell Lewis. Mean Mr. Winston. I don't know. People are saying that Jameis Winston's going to be a good fit in New Orleans. We'll have to see. Tristan Wirfs, rookie. Trubisky. David Montgomery. Ooh, here's a really cool insert for Tampa Bay. Tom Brady T-321 insert. That's a really cool insert. Buccaneers are going out to John D. Very nice insert there. T-321 Tom Brady insert. Noah IG rookie. Christian McCaffrey. Alright, let's finish up the rest and then we'll do a recap. We have a green velocity rated rookie of Brian Edwards for the Raiders. Raiders got a couple sleeved ones today. Going out to Kevin M. Van Jefferson rated rookie for the Rams. Adam Thielen, Miles Sanders, Chris Godwin, Raekwon Davis rookie for the Dolphins, T.Y. Hilton, Kyler Murray. Alright, let's do a little recap real quick. Coming up next, we do have our one box, hobby box of plates and patches, football. And then we're going to do a box of Inception, baseball. All right, first up for the Cowboys, we have a CeeDee Lamb rated rookie. It's going to Jonathan L. Then we have a Brian Edwards green velocity rated rookie. That's going to the Raiders, Kevin M. T-321 insert for the Tom Brady and the Buccaneers. That is a nice insert there. Congratulations, Buccaneers, John D. Terrell Davis, green velocity rookie for the Rams, Sierra H. Derek Brown, Silver Hollow. That's one of the teams Ryan T picked up. Thanks, Ryan T, for that. Congrats. Jeff Okudah, green velocity rated rookie for the Lions, Ryan T. Ryan T had a pretty nice break. Patrick Queen, green velocity rookie for the Ravens, Sean R. Tyreek Hill, Dominators insert for the Chiefs, Eric B. Another one here for the Raiders. That's a Henry Ruggs III, green velocity for Kevin M. Ryan Tannehill, Silver Hollow again for Ryan T and the Titans. And last but not least, for Seattle, we had a Darrell Taylor, green velocity rookie. Seattle's going out to Lewis V. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this break. Hopefully everybody had a nice time. We do have the one box of plates and patches coming up next in about 5 minutes. So until then, thank you to everybody in chat for keeping me company. Appreciate you guys. Special thanks to Ryan T for buying up those teams. You got to put a couple nice cards in that one. And until next time, guys, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We'll talk to you later.